Hey folks, we are here at yet another pizza review. I don't stop. I keep plugging away every day. 92 degrees out here today. We are in Sunrise, Florida. We're at a place called Enzo's. Nice menu. They have everything. The place is really clean inside. I was very impressed. And the people were really nice. Enzo's is located at 15964 West State Road 84 in Sunrise, Florida. Before I get started, I need you guys to hit that like button. I need you to subscribe. Each and every time I get a new subscriber and a like, it helps me tremendously to keep bringing you all of these great pizza reviews. We're also in search of that perfect meatball, but we're not just going to bring you pizza and meatball reviews. We're going to bring you everything from the Italian menu that we can. Now, again, we're at Enzo's. We're trying their pizza. They've been here for 8 years. As I mentioned, it's really nice inside, very clean, nice people. Let's take a look at their slice. Okay, here's the slice. Take a good look at it from here. All right, we'll turn it over. Nice and well done. I like that. The bottom is nicely well done. We're gonna break it, fold it, and see if it breaks. Oh, yes, it does. That's a good sign. Look at that break right there. That's what I'm looking for. That's how you know that it's a good dough and that it was cooked properly. Let's look for some grease. No grease at all, even though there's a nice sheen of olive oil on it. No flop at all. There. Looks real nice. Let's give it a shot. Crunchy, nice balance between the sauce and the cheese. I like it. I can tell this must be the grande. If not the grande, it's a second baccio, but it's good. The sauce is very good. The cottura, the well doneness is really nice. Okay. So, really good slice. I liked it. It has a lot going on, a lot of flavor. The sauce is really seasoned very well. The cheese is a good cheese. You could tell the combination, as I mentioned, the ratio between the sauce and the cheese is very well balanced also, and it's nice and well done. Their dough, if they're not using a biga or a poulish, I'd be surprised because it's really that good. I'm going to give Enzo's, I'm going to have to give Enzo's an 8.1. That's right, an 8.1. That's a real pizza review by a real Italian. The difference, my taste buds are God-given. They are fantastic. Why? Because I was raised by a mother who knew how to cook like an angel. So my taste buds really know the difference between good and bad. It's a real pizza review by a real Italian. Enzo's 8.1. That's my score.